Hello everyone! Today I'm going to change the battery on old synth. Here is my Roland U220. I didn't use it for 15 years and I pour it in on and a bad message, internal battery low. So maybe the memory is cleared, a rapid check, everything is fine. So a risky way how not to change the battery. So I thought I couldn't back up the memory. I was wrong, there's a software for this. So I decided to keep the machine on during the procedure. It's quite unsafe for the machine and for you, it could be deadly. And the battery is quite firmly in place, so it's hard to remove it without a tool. We should not use a screwdriver to do that. So I am going to open it. There are 6 screws on the sides and 3 on the back. You need a good screwdriver for this. It's a bit long, you need at least 15 minutes. This machine is all made in Japan. It doesn't need a fan for heat cooling. So there's absolutely no dust inside. It's remarkable, you will see. As you can see, the machine is perfectly clean. Here is the new battery and the old one with a red dot. I intended to use a magnet, but that was not a good idea because the battery is really hard in place. So I put some plastic to avoid any contact because, as I said to you, everything is on. It's quite dangerous, especially the right side of the machine. There's some power there. So here is the new battery and we are done. Here is the old battery, 35 years old. I wanted to see if it had still some charge. Nothing. So everything worked fine. I survived and the machine too. The memory was not cleared, so a good thing. But how should we do that? The good way. For my JV1080, I did not leave it powered on. I did a backup before with some synth tools on my PC. Same thing there, no dust at all, everything is perfectly clean. The battery is behind that. I had some sticker paper to take it easily. A red dot on the factory battery, and after 30 years it still had some charge. This is quite surprising, isn't it? So we can see the extension card and below the new battery I just inserted. So proper way is to back up the memory with synth dump using software like BOM SendSX. Then keep the machine off and unplugged during the procedure. Battery easier to remove on the JV. Memory did reset, so I had to restore default settings, then to restore my backup. I had to use another tool, MIDI OX, because the BOM SendSX was crashing when I was trying to restore the CSX file. I don't know why. I tried some speeds, nothing. But what on earth allow a 3-volt battery to last that long? I like some answers. And how on earth a dead battery can still maintain the CMOS RAM on my Roland U220 If you have some answers, I'd like to know them in the comments. Please leave a like. See you in another video. Until then, stay cool.